Hi guys, this is Tamara Lankowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and I am going to show you how to make a white mousse. I'm craving Twinkies, I'm craving Ding Dongs, so I'm going to show you how to do the filler for the Twinkies and Ding Dongs, and then we'll do another video with the Twinkies and Ding Dongs. What you do is you need 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. I'll do it right here. So we're going to pour this in here. So you would use a whole pint if you were doing this, okay? And then you do a half teaspoon vanilla extract, a 1/4 cup of sweetie, and half a block of Philadelphia cream cheese, okay? This is 4 ounces, half a block of Philadelphia cream cheese. And all I'm gonna do is use a hand blender. Guys, everybody needs one of these. This is what it looks like when it's done, okay? So I'm gonna blend it up, and you're gonna see it getting really hard. And I'm not gonna make you guys wait through the whole video. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna show you how delicious it is and how thick it is, okay? So when you scoop it out, you want it to be this thick. Like, see how it sits on my stick here? This is so good, guys. It tastes just like the filling that's in a Twinkie and the filling that's in a Ding Dong. And so for the next videos, you can look up Twinkies and Ding Dongs on the website. We have a new search bar on the website. If you go on HealthyTreatsMarket.com, you can literally look up anything. Like, if you have a bulk Baker's Basic, you can just type basic in the search bar, and everything that I use to make Baker's Basic pops up, okay? So this is new. This will be on the website in a little bit, but thanks for watching, guys, and God bless you.